Hey everyone, welcome back to Real Food, Real People, Real Stories. All this month I'll be sharing interesting and healthy, low carb, and easy to make recipes for real life, real people. Today's recipe is one of my favorites. Apple mustard chicken, juicy chicken marinated with Dijon mustard, orange juice, and warm spices, apple flakes. Finish it in the air fryer for a clean and modern twist. And if you're looking to eat better without giving up the flavor, you're lucky. You're in the right place. Growing up, apples were always part of favorite dishes in my kitchen, and this recipe is inspired by that idea. Sweet meets savory in a lighter and a healthier way. No heavy sauces, no deep frying, just smart techniques and balanced flavors. These are the ingredients for our recipe. Chicken thighs, 2 apples, 2 orange, oregano, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, Dijon mustard, and black pepper. For our mashed potato, we're gonna use black pepper, 2 potatoes, and butter. Let's start by making our side dish, the mashed potato. We take our potatoes and we just take the fork and make this little holes. So like this, when we make it on the air fryer, it gets well cooked. Okay, let's bring it to the air fryer. A little bit of olive oil and a little bit of salt. So we bring it to the air fryer. Then we select the chamber bake. Then we just go to 400 and then make sure you bake it for about 40 minutes, okay? Because we want our potatoes to be well cooked. Now let's make our apple flakes. You take the apple for half and then you just cut another half. You take the center and then you just carefully start to make the flakes. Okay? This process needs to be careful and a sharp knife because you want to make the perfect flakes like this, just like this. Let's bring our apple flakes carefully without breaking it. Okay, a little bit of olive oil, mix it like this. Okay, spray it again, and then you just drop a little bit of salt. Let's bring it to the air fryer. This is a different process, so we select chamber 1 and then we're gonna select roast and we're just gonna press start for 15 minutes, okay? Let's build the flavor. Here we have our already made orange juice from the 2 oranges. Make sure you don't have any seeds from the orange on your juice, okay? A little bit of Dijon mustard, garlic powder, paprika, ginger, oregano, salt, black pepper, and a little piece of apple. Then let's invite our game changer, our KitchenAid blender. And then let's mix slowly, but make sure that is very well integrated until we get one consistency. Then we have it ready. Let's bring the main guest, our chicken. Okay, you'll need a bowl and then we can start to marinate it. A little bit of mustard and then we get a nice massage to stress out, just take the stress out from our chicken, just like this. And then you pour marinade on it to mix it and let it rest for about 15 minutes. So like this, all the protein gets the flavor. Heat the pan over medium and high heat and drop some olive oil. See the chicken. We just not cooking it fully, just creating color and sealing the juices. This step, it makes a huge difference in texture and flavor. Make sure don't skip it, okay? While we have it sealed, let's bring our chicken to the air fryer and we're gonna finish it here. Let's bring it to the air fryer and we're gonna put it on air fry, and then we're gonna keep it on 360 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. This method keeps the chicken juicy inside, golden outside without extra fat. It's very important. With our side dish, we already have our potatoes. So let's peel our potatoes to build the mashed potatoes. We just cut it like this with a knife. Not all the way, because we just want to peel it. Okay? Then we go for the second one. Just a little bit of butter, okay? We don't want to add too much because it's a healthy recipe, but this will help us to keep consistency, and a little bit of salt and black pepper. The butter will help us to get this creamy texture on our mashed potatoes. So now we have our creamy consistency and our mashed potato is ready. Our apple flakes from the air fryer, and this is how it should look. Golden and flavorful. Now we are ready to plate our dish. Let's build it up. We have our chicken ready. Look at the color, the mustard and the apple give the sweetness, the orange with the brightness and everything. The spices brings the balance at all. So we are ready just to plate. We bring a nice plate, a little scoop of mashed potatoes on the base. Let's bring our chicken right on top of it. And then just a few flakes. And for the last, not the least, rosemary, and finish is ready. This dish only has 550 calories per portion, high protein, balanced carbs, clean fat, perfect for a healthy lifestyle. If you like this recipe, follow me on YouTube, hit subscribe on my channel, follow me on the social media. All this month is about healthy. All the recipes are easy to make at home and we are not lacking flavor, but still healthy and nice recipes for you. Follow me on the next videos. See you in the next one for more real food, real people, real stories.